didn't even get to see it. You guys scored both those first 2 goals so quickly.
You got a backhander. Backhander. Yeah, we didn't know you had one. I sat down on the bench. I don't even know.
I didn't know I had one.
I didn't know you had a backhander. It doesn't matter what the situation is. Wheels are out here. Hey, Rob. Wheel. Good. Oh, is your dad's favorite player here? Oh, he's not here. Who? He knows about it.
Brody. The bigger guy.
Ball. Say please. You're welcome.
Thank you for being you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being you.
It was a Tassoism, I understood.
Tassoism.
Tassoism.
Right there. I'll go for you next.
Yeah. You might as well pour that garbage can, put that in our side.
Oh shit. Here we go.
Chicken out.
I know it's coming.
There we go. Not in,
It's a tradition. No, he does. No. That's a traditional. That's a traditional Ralphie thing there. He has some blade chunks that you're good.
Wheel! Head up! Get over. Watch me.
Oh, shit. It's bubbling.
It's a deck monster.
Play well. Who's Evans have to fix his deck?
We're all fair,
Thanks, Chuck.
we're all humans, too. We don't have that name.
No, he took out Jeff Johnson. That big ass cooler, that was Jeff Johnson's. Thanks, buddy. No problem. It's like, get this shit out of here. Yeah. Like I totally forgot to give it to him. He's like, oh, no, this has got to go.
Yeah, I walked up and he's like, what? And I was like,
But you need me out
cooler?
there.
Take your damn cooler. Oh, shit. He goes, I forgot that.
You got puke?
Come close.
Alright, okay.
No, that you did it.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Stay with it, let's go!
How'd you miss that?
He doesn't have glasses on. I see.
You were back on the game or you were
I did go, Danny. Meatball. I like how one of the meatballs, he has a thug jug at prayers.
And the other one's fishing.
Yeah, the other one's fishing, the other one has a thug jug. That's so Pittsburgh. Rip it. Thank you. Yeah, it's not.
I haven't been around in a while, fucking much. I just got the ankle monitor off. There's actually my PO's out there. He's out there within the car. He's waiting just for him to fucking do something about him. You know, you put that back on. Time break! Far. Come on! Help me!
Your head is running out in your feet.
What was that? That was like, I was trying to figure it out, and then I was like, well, I'm blind as fuck, so I don't know.
Go!
Hey!
Get!
nice, man.
What's that?
I think only on an ice.
While you were going, I was in the process of entering the first goal, and I'm like, oh, I missed it. Oh, damn. When we're at 71, I'm like, oh, damn.
I'll just drop it. Right here, guys.
Hey, GWG, though. Yeah.
So I didn't even, none of us even realized it until we got over the get going. He's like, it was the game winner. I was like,
Yeah, that's what it was, yeah. Second goal.
P.O. just started the car. He's been doing good, so he might be leaving. Big save, guy! Go to it, Vince. Stay in the lane, That's it, perfect. On you! High stick on, good!
Can you touch it, though, boss?
Oh, did! Oh, shit! Crap!
You gotta touch
Crap!
it. Yeah.
Oh, shit, I didn't know that.
Unless you touch it, then it is.
It's a whistle. It's whistle and defensive zone face off. No matter where it's at.
Just because I go, don't mean they have to go. That's the 5 guys. So, I know, I get it, I'm just saying.
I told him I was going to do a sack of those for his first goal. But I kept it light this time.
Where's it at? Where'd you put it on?
Facebook.
Did you? I gotta see it.
No! Come on, man.
I told Tony I was your favorite player ain't here.
Oh, no, I was looking for him.
Brady.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Blizzard.
Time. Barry.
Yeah, Blizzard.
Well, Brady. I know Brady.
Yeah, that Brady's.
You over.
The Brady.
Hey.
Brings such energy to that
Yeah, he
team.
does.
They're like flat without him.
They need him on the power.
They need a goal celebration.
What?
They need
I've done that.
You should have, man. You should put the hammer on the bench when you score and run around with the hammer.
Move it.
Let's go.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. He played great. He played all around good game. Played great goaltending. Played great D. Scored. Coach. He did great, man. He played all around.
Got that door.
Got that door. Looked good.
That was JD. JD got it. We switched jobs.
Now you're being modest. Look at that. He's look at that, Ed.
It's gonna lighten up for the shot.
They were moving it.
I like it. Next week's gonna be a lot tougher, man.
Hammer, why not? Oh, it's your turn. I got tears coming down my eyes. Hey, how about them bras if you stick your hammer down her throat? Oh my God!
Thanks for having me, Commissioner.
Mascara coming down her face. Yeah, I'm good.
No, go ahead. You guys first. He's free.
White, what side? White, what side you want to face off?
Pick one.
Ralph, what's up? Ball one side, you want center line ice. Center line ice is horrible. Just in a small rink. Yeah, and this small rink is bad. You want to indoors or RV or something? Oh, hey, that's different. Yeah.
Good hustle. Stick, B-Red. Person that rope. Old Nate. Red line.
Or Scott.
Collier. We're Collier next week.
I thought you said Scott.
No. Collier for the games.
Scott for practice.
Scott for just the practices last week.
How'd you end up getting Collier?
I got a hold of Rob. Told him that we were looking for a rink for the week. And he's like, yeah, you can let me have it.
Coming on, Brady.
That's
it. Good play, boys. I'm walking, Ralph.
I went to school with Rob.
Shay's there. He's a nice guy.
His brother Dean and everything, man.
He really wants our Sunday morning league back.
I know.
Hammer.
Hey yo, Daddy Meatballs, bring up the coins.
Scott's not charging us.
Oh, yeah, I know.
So, I mean, we're never going to leave it if they're not charging
You're
us.
not charging, yeah.
And Scott's a better guy.
There you go, guys.
Good shit, boy.
No, it's they're the same size as this, basically.
Collier's not bad. Collier's not bad. Well, I like Scott.
I like Scott. It's just, there's no shade. There's no shade at all in Scott.
I don't think there's any shade in the Collier.
There's really not a Collier either.
Because you're up on the hill.
But you do have that hillside on the backside that covers some of it.
Yeah, that is the one thing about Scott is that on hot days it's bad.
Plus the deck's tight so that the sun.
The sun's bright. The sun makes it real bright. Scott does too, though. Scott's like that too.
Yeah. This Kyle, I would.
Good job, Ken.
Is that darker?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do too.
This is the two best guys.
Get back. Get back. Good, go.
So you will find out when you get to Murraysville next week? In 2 weeks. Next week.
Let's go.
No, you're good.
Thank you. Nice shot, kid.
Good.
Penalties in it, Murraysville?
That's a great shot.
So you can't initially put in a minute and a half. They only do 2 minute, 3 minute penalties. That's it.
Oh, really?
So you have to put the penalty in and then go back and edit it
Yeah.
to the 1:30.
Because they kept coming up 2 minutes every time you would put it up on the board.
And the guy who runs it, when he was there, had no idea how to put him in. I had to do a tutorial online.
Was that the guy working the clock during our game? Because you kept leaving the bench.
That was Pappas' dad.
Because you kept leaving the bench and go putting in.
Yeah, that was Pappas' dad.
There's a guy with the orange shirt on. That's the guy that was running.
1 minute.
I asked him before we went, I was like, how do you put penalties in? He said, oh, you guys do this. I was like, He's like, oh, I have no idea how to do that.
Hey, I only said that if you want to score.
Come down, do right.
You're like, thanks, you're a big help, man.
Yeah.
You up. Come on, Hardy.
In front of him, Adam.
35, Trump. Good play, Trump. Good stick. Stay with him, Trump. Stay with him, Trump. Park up. Come, you're in, kid. You're in, kid.
We need Blue to win.
You're 20.
No, that. We need Blue to win.
They're both tied in points, I think.
Quicker.
The Meatballs are catching up to us.
Yeah. It's all right. We just got to keep winning it. We just can't have another flat game like we had last week. I can't believe that.
Ice, ice.
We were just flat.
4 seconds. 4 seconds.
No urgency at all.
Not like today.
Today, we played that game last week that we did today with the urgency.
It's been different. It would have been.
They find the right helmet.
Had the right helmet. He would have scored a goal.
No, it was a good call.
Oh yeah, mates came out without a helmet on.
You know,
He's like, oh damn.
it's only like week 6 or something, you know. It's cool.
He said he didn't realize he didn't even have it on.
He needs to get his 11 weeks in before he realizes he needs a helmet.
He was standing out there. He was standing out there. Funny.
Run to it. Ryan, the cover ain't back, kid. Yeah, long shift, give us a change.
You guys
Good.
Yeah, he's
They're playing a lot better.
I'm ready. When you are. I'm ready. So there you go.
DJ, you gotta catch that.
Kid, shoot it low. Hey, BJ, that's not the reaction I want from my goalie.
Hey, look.
He's scared of the ball.
I don't have my gear on.
We got done?
No zone, no zone.
He's so close to me, I would. That was a good one. I don't like that. What? What?
We had the zone from the gate, it never came on.
No, we didn't have the zone.
Whenever it went off my foot, we were still in the zone.
Yeah,
It went off your foot. No, that lost zone.
That's why it's not.
Oh, my bad, you're right. I apologize, good call. Cass, good call. Did you get that on camera? Cass made a good call.
Up!
Here, on your back. Keep going back.
Meatballs are a very witted team. Everything on Cajun veterans. They are so Cajun veterans. He plays next to Invaders and
You said McKeesport's out at their office.
so then that would be Invaders and Strikers.
Yes, that's my first game of the day.
Nice save, Tom. Clocking next game.
Yeah, he's clocking 6 in a row. Yeah, I got the next 6.
I'll be I go home. I'm not coming back. He's like, good point, good
Well,
point.
I told him last week in Murraysville, I was like, I'll be there most of the day. So. Likewise, I was like, we're gonna stay the whole day. It doesn't matter to me. Yeah, that's sort of why I want to stay the whole day. I just go.
I have a present for you.
Oh.
Let me see, what is it?
It's a division. It's instead of like the polos that we usually get every year, they made.
It's that tier
Straight out
one.
of Pittsburgh kind of thing.
It's that tier one.
Well, yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
That's sweet. I like it.
I like that, dude.
Yeah, this was. Yeah, it's like where's the love after 2 frames?
What's on the back?
No, nothing.
Oh,
Oh, just the 2 and 10.
oh, 2 and 10.
Those are sweet.
That is nice. I like it.
Thank you for everything. Yeah. I mean, you know, we were waiting on them.
Those are sweet.
Fly. Well, Adam. Young fly.
Young slide.
Be ready to slide.
23 unassisted.
I got Crump. Hey, let's go, boys. Same thing with shift. Let's go.
Hey, head ref, you taking notes?
On what?
Thank God I'm not repping today. Oh, shit.
Hey,
No, he
pick up
is.
a shirt. Pick up a shirt.
He is?
Pick up the outfits.
It's like a charity thing.
Step. Charity thing. Hey, let him
All
see
that
that.
is, he earned that spot.
He did.
Come on, let's go. Move your feet. Wait, let's go. Here's
Forward.
coming to you, Mike.
All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Nice try, Crump. Nice try, Crump.
Not even close. Oh my God.
Go there.
Ooh. Oh! Nice, Dick.
Good play, we'll take it. Keep grinding, boys.
Slide.
They're going with a high stick.
I really like these. He's come along.
Very proud of him. Got into it.
That one's better than the last one. The last one I had. I think the face one.
Get your back, Vince, your back.
Come on, change last year.
Oh, yeah. Without a doubt.
And like, you know, I saw how he reacted. And I went, okay. That's what I expected. And he earned it. He did a bang up job at the top.
Jason. Still no time.
On the way, sir.
There's so many white talking guys. That guy, Rowdy. Everyone keeps their phone
Way back there.
Hey, both of mine are.
Does the helmet have more cushion or that throw?
That's the flow.
A little Italian Paul Wall.
It's definitely the flow.
A little Italian Palombaloo. Should be 43, not 23. Balls out.
You can't be on the opposite side of the fucking blue line.
Sniper!
Them LeBrons ain't LeBron no more.
D. Go, Troy. Little Troy.
Switch Brady.
Let's go, Ryan.
Little Troy didn't get much on there.
Tired. That's why I loot him. Looks like the little rhino from Jumanji at the back of the stage.
Gage, what we really need is probably not going to happen. What we really need is the Invaders to lose that next game. I said, what our team really needs is the Invaders to lose that next game.
Come on, White, let's
I
go.
highly doubt that's going to happen.
Yeah, they're right on us. And they'll be ahead of us because they beat us.
Yeah, they were ahead of us.
Stand
last
right,
week.
stand. Come on, White, we're
Tiebreaker
standing,
the
watch
first
it.
tiebreaker is most wins for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more tier 3, and then 2 tier 1s, and then we start
Yeah,
with
but
2.
here's the thing, Chuck. If we beat the Scots, then they're falling down below us.
Yeah, so ahead of them.
Yeah.
So it's goals. Like, I mean, you got to pay attention to the tiebreakers.
Yeah.
Because it's most like points, of course. And if you're tying points, it's the most wins, combined wins, which is overtime and regulation. And then after that is there's, I think it's goal differential, and goals for, and then it's the head-to-head. Head-to-head should be one of the toughest, but it's actually one of like, the secondary ones.
So both our games next week in the doubleheader.
Still there, your ball, Fly, your ball, fight.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
This corner, it's you up.
Yeah, we killed ourselves last week.
Way to cover, Ralphie.
We killed ourselves against the meatballs. Oh, yeah, we did. Yeah, we did.
We played so flat.
You can tell that it was our first game.
Oh! That's rolled up underneath.
You know that? You can tell we ain't played in a month.
I
Good
will say
block,
this.
go.
Neither did they, though.
Goaltender is playing.
Someone for
They are,
crowd,
but-
someone for crowd. Offense!
Road guard.
Block, Ralphie.
Ralphie.
You're in.
Toe drag Todd. Nope.
Hey, someone for Ralphie. Come on. Stay with him, stay in there. Come on, White, let's go. Down.
I needed that.
Come on, White, we're walking. Back! Look wide! Back! Let's stick, man! Good stick!
I'll give him a 121 save.
That was a big fucking shot.
Oh, absolutely. 121 of period 2.
Come on, White, let's go!
Whistle's good, boys. Regroup. Let's go. Dig deep.
1 minute! What's sad is
It's
maybe
mistake,
a
man.
goal of the year, a save of the year.
Couple steps out,
candidate.
Vince.
Guess what?
Nice fit.
Dude's player
Come
was
on, come
streaming the video on Monday. Douglas had an amazing
Come
day.
on, let's go, let's go! Come on, come on! Still there!
Screened by his own player.
Come on,
Yeah, 'cause even the Wolfpack team.
Come on, Rap. 30.
We're looking for. I got Brad.
Top 10 play.
Four. Rap hard.
Five. Good, period.
Tiny Troy. We're Tiny Troy.
Good!
Little Troy.
How old is he?
Tiny Troy.
Go, keep going!
Them little critters.
Black hair?
Them raspy critters or whatever he says.
Now, if he cut his hair, he'd be a little sweetness. Dr. Pepper commercial. By yourself, there you go. You go.
Hey, stop!
Offense! Offense!
Come on, kid, in front of that.
There you go.
Head up.
Someone.
Breeze.
Back at him.
Good!
Back at him.
Oh, there's Tiny Troy. Oh, Tiny Troy. Tiny over.
Let's go!
Tiny Troy on the back.
Big Sean.
Over out there moving. Over moving like a freight train.
Hi, over.
Good play, boys!
No, 9. Ralph. Ralph is 9. 9 from 76. Oh, Tiny Troy.
Good cover, Ralphie! Good cover, Ralphie!
Yes.
Go.
Back.
The whole undercarriage.
He gave him a vasectomy.
He gave him the whole undercarriage.
Alrighty.
Tiny Troy got him. Tiny
That's
Troy got him.
brother. What's going on?
Hey man,
That's my spot.
You can't do the same.
That
move
seat's
twice.
cold over there.
Tiny Troy.
You were so close. On you! On you! Hey, set it up, let's go!
Yeah.
I love the extracurricular shit. It's an asterisk, you know? I like getting those asterisks. They look at your name twice, you know what I mean? They want to scroll by, but they can't. You know why? You're living rent-free in their heads.
With it, let's go!
Rogue, you gotta go.
Yeah, no, that's right.
You did!
No, we're talking about his personal Facebook.
What do you need?
I'll take it out.
Just that piece in my bag. I just bought it. One of these side zippers there's a zip lock.
I keep forgetting it's that.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
10 seconds white.
Wait there, Mike. Come on now.
Out in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold, 1. You're good. Even!
Keep moving to him.
Oh, this is like.
Brady! Behind you, 9!
Now you're gonna go side to side.
Maybe it had something to do with Ralphie yelling at him 2 games, or 3 games ago.
That's true.
Yeah. I'm coming. What side do you want to paint on?
Ralphie was letting him have it that game.
Yeah, he did. I felt bad for him.
I did too.
I don't know how you settled that. That had like crazy bounce. That was a shit pass.
Give me a note. No one's here. Play Trump. Stay with him, Trump. Good roll, Trump. On you, Adam. Shot, Sean. Come on back. Come on back. Good.
Good on the hand, not in. Back up. He's good.
Okay, Ralph.
Now, if he was about an inch taller.
Quick. Yeah, not seven. Good, nice. Good call. Keep that clock moving.
We're about 2 days late on that.
What?
Adam, whenever you're ready.
I know, I heard about that. I'm glad he's back, bro. He's been gone for a while. I'm glad he's back, bro. Oh, yeah, so am I. Dude, I like him. Yeah.
Still you go.
I went to Iowa with him. We won one of the championships with him.
You go together, 30 seconds, get you out there. Jake, if you're skipping, you like playing with that, right?
I'm sure I said something. Talking to Ryan.
Even as you go, okay, are you sure?
No. I'm 55 years old.
Yeah, no, I hear you. I'm not far behind.
How old are you?
I'll be 44. Ken's over 52.
Don't disrespect them like that again, right?
My man! Put respect on that name!
That's right. I'll be 41. Couple days.
Thursday, I come in.
Okay, 40 games. They're world balls. Oh, okay. Nappers.
Hit the net, 3-9.
I got you!
Oh.
Good battle, boys.
Back. This year looks like it's like a pool party in my house, because I think my birthday's on Tuesday.
There's going to be more people interested.
Oh, shit.
Still there, Ralph?
You all right, Blue?
Oh, yeah. I'm short of fucking
He's good friends.
They're all part of the Green Moss.
You want me to center? I'll center.
I'm all for this. Oh, without a doubt.
You heard me yelling.
Yeah, Bubby.
It was a blue.
Two of them, get him that mistake.
ER is so unreliable.
There's no explanation. I don't believe it. There's no explanation. It was a bloop. I can't do that. If it went high hard, okay, I suck.
Yeah.
But blooper rounded over the net.
I think the boys were like,
Yeah.
he's on revenge with
He's on
Bubby.
bench too, Bubby.
He doesn't play.
But Bubby already said he'd like to drop down with us.
Behind us. Keep going, keep going. Let's go. Keep moving. Keep going, keep moving on that. Back to you. Keep going. Go, 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 go.
1 minute. Go D. Go D. Go. Change here. Change here. Oh yeah. Come on, stand in the line and but we picked up.
Pull my stick. Thanks. When I ripped it out of him, he come out of the shoe.
Next season, we may need a full-time goalie from background. Joe fucked up his knee pretty bad.
He's gonna go.
Yeah, no, I was sure you were telling him to go for you.
Go, go, beat. Yeah, you. Oh.
I gotta revise the roster a little bit because we lost a couple.
Ryan, blue tire is on you. Hey, still in.
Back towards us.
8 seconds, Todd. 8 seconds.
Let's see. Hold it there.
Not a bad fucking game for a team that got blown out 3 times. Not bad.
Roll it down. Hail and a steel. Thank you.
We know. It's ball. Thanks.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Bench.
Yep. You're going nowhere.
I got some stuff for me today. I got some swag for you. Hell yeah, about time. What we got here? Tyler shorts, my extra shirts. That's it for now. Christ, I'm still waiting on goalie jerseys.
Sorry, bud.
No, I know.
That's all right. My last pair of shorts came in today.
Me and my goalie Glenn had the same number. I don't know how they did that.